Okay, so we've got part 2 of the Benelli TNT. So we're into the settings. So we just have a quick run through what we've got available on here, a fair bit of stuff. So we've got 2 map setups in this system, so we can do some adjustment. This is all pre-O2 sensors and such, so there is some adjustment available to us in there. So we've got 2 maps, map 1, map 2, so that's the idle map and the fueling map. So we can adjust those through the system. We've got TPS settings, minimum and maximum opening, can all be set through here. Minimum CO map 1, minimum CO map 2, so those can be adjusted accordingly. That's another TPS settle, idle, minimum setting and maximum setting. So I didn't actually do anything with this one because this was a client's customer's bike, which was running perfectly fine, so I didn't want to mess with that. Then we've got access to the technical information, just another area that we can access from various points of the software. Just to show you through that quickly. And now, because in part 1 we did some recording of data, and we've now finished our diagnosis, as soon as you finish the diagnosis of the particular vehicle that you're connected to, if you've done some recordings or saving of data, it'll automatically bring you back to the customer area, and you can fill out details, print the reports of the data that you've saved or recorded, and save that with the customer's file. So you've got that for the future, and then you can bring in any other attachments, could be other information that you've saved, photographs, any other documents, recordings, can all be brought back into to that file for saving. And that's how that would print out. So you've got 2 options. You've got the recorded data, which shows you the graphical format, or you've just got the print of data on screen at the time, which will be the single values for each of the parts of the information that you've chosen to display. So add our notes, and then that's all saved, and you can get to that a little bit later on if you need be. So we're now just quickly into the wiring diagrams. So you can see we've got the active wiring diagrams on this bike, which are extremely useful. We've got a pin-out diagram of the connector, and it shows you there it's the wiring side of the connector, not so it's not if you're looking at the loom side, not the ECU side, so it's always worth looking at that information. Sometimes it's the other way around, but it does tell you on the software. So we can see various links of circuits here and all the components that are linked up in that circuit. So if you've got some issues or shorted wires or earth problems, you can basically see where any component that may be affecting that issue is located throughout the loom. So again, that's useful if you've got shorts or faulty wiring. It's a useful way of getting to that. So that was another brief run through. Many thanks for watching. We'll get another one up soon.